I'm craving
You can't have milk.
I'm craving milk.
You can't have milk. You lying ass Crohn's. You made me feel bad for you.
I have Crohn. No, don't do that. Don't talk.
No,
I've.
I know you do. But you're saying that's why you needed the milk? That's a damn lie. I heard why you needed the milk.
Why?
Because it doesn't make it spicy after you drink it.
You heard me?
No milk. I'm right next to you. How did I not hear it?
Fuck, bro. I thought you were losing hearing or something, man. So what am I gonna do with the milk? All right, we can share the milk.
No milk.
You're weird, bro.
No milk. How about this? The milk will be in the middle, and if you want to tap out, like to just forfeit, you drink the milk.
I bet.